Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for another Plan With Me video. This week I'm going to be planning for the first week of April, and I thought I would use these happy planner items that I've had sitting around for ages. This is the rainbow sticker book, and then I picked up that floral sheet from a Facebook de-stash. And I've also got these skinny washi tapes that Mum got me for my birthday, so I might use those as well. First, I'm going to start out by whiting out the Monday and then putting some of the skinny washi tape over the top, and then my day and date covers from Birdy Planning, just so I can get an idea of how the date covers will look before I go and start putting in some of the floral stickers. I end up going with this blue kind of aqua color with the rose gold foiled little arrows. On this floral sheet there is some foiling and it is more of a pinky rose gold, so I wanted to make sure I kept that throughout as well. So here comes the fun part. I'm just going to grab some of these flowers and put them at the top of the page, overlapping a little bit over onto the day boxes, and then just trimming off the excess. But I'm not going to throw this away. I'm going to keep this to use on other spots in the other page as well. Even these little pieces, I'm going to keep them for now. So there's a tiny gap between the stickers, and this is where the little offcuts will come in handy. So I'm just trying to pick up the Monday sticker a little bit so I can wedge this little half a leaf underneath just to fill that gap. Then for the note section in my planner, I'm going to use one of these checklist stickers. I'm just going to snip off the bottom part so it's a flat edge and put this down the side. I will end up writing in Monday to Friday and then using the last box for the weekend. That's where I'm going to plan my dinners for the week. Above that, I'm going to pop a habit tracker, but first I'm going to layer down some of this washi tape. This is just from Kmart. It comes in those tubes that are only like $5 for about 10 rolls. I'm just peeling up the floral sticker so the washi tape will go underneath. And then just popping a habit tracker right on top. There is a tiny gap, so I'm going to use some of this thin washi tape. This is from the little bundle I showed you earlier. You can't really tell, but it's like an ombre pink to purple, but it's very subtle, so I thought this would tie in nicely with the flowers and the colours that were in this spread already without it being too green. And then I'm just going to put down the washi tape and the day cover stickers for Tuesday and Wednesday before I go back to what's on for Monday. So I'm starting off with some more of this Kmart washi tape. It has a really subtle rose gold foil on it, which I thought would tie in nicely to the foil that was on the flower stickers. Anyway, over this I'm just going to put one of these larger today boxes. This is really handy when I know I have a few things on that kind of fit under the one category. So this is going to be for work, but I know on a Monday I have a few work things I like to put in my planner as well. And these script stickers are from the GP Studio. I actually finished the sheet using this spread, so I'm going to have to get some more. Then I'm just putting down this little laptop icon. This one's from BusyBPrints. Then at the top of the page, I've cut some of this rose gold washi tape into a bit of an arrow. This is just to mark down that I have a bill I need to pay, so I'm using a Peaceful Mind Design script sticker just over the top of that. If you've seen a few of my other videos, you'll see I do this all the time. I just think they fit really well together. Then I'm just going in with a little coffee cup sticker as well. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm using that skinny pinky purple washi again, just as a backing for another work script sticker. This Happy Planner book, I'm not sure what's happened. Usually for each color in the book, there's I think 3 pages and one of them has some box type stickers, but for some reason this green color, it had 2 pages of the same sheet, the one that you can see here with all the headers and the larger boxes, but it didn't have the page with the smaller boxes. So I'm doing what I can this week. Anyway, I just put down another work script sticker over that washi tape and then made myself a little to-do list using a header and some stars. For Wednesday, I'm putting down some more of the rose gold washi tape. I'm just going to put this, layer it underneath the class stickers that I've got here. These ones are from BusyBPrints as well, and I think they're really cute because they're nice and small. Because I don't have a ton of space, it's handy when things are a little bit skinnier or smaller. I'm using another one of the work icons, but I'm just trimming off the side so it looks like it's kind of coming out of the side of the page and I can write my shift time next to it. And then I'm just going to put a little to-do list above that. Because I had already used a to-do header on the day before, I didn't really want to use one again. It would be a bit too much repetition, and plus there's not a ton of them in the sticker book. So I just carried along that skinny washi tape, and then I have some to-do script headers also from GP Studio that are the same as the work ones. So I think it looked nice and cohesive that it was carrying across both days. And throughout the video, you see I will add more of these flower stickers throughout, just to make it so it kind of carries through the whole spread as well. Alrighty, so moving on to the second half of the week, I'm just going to white out the dates again, pop down some more flower stickers, the washi tape, the date covers, everything that I just did on the first page. On Thursday, I'm starting off again with some of that skinny washi, layering over another work script sticker. Then next to it, I actually put another little rose gold washi tape flag just to mark in that I need to pay my rent as well. On Thursday night, I have a really exciting event that I'm going to. I'll be going to the Raw Showcase to support my friend Lambrini, who is a resin artist, and I'm going to leave her website and Instagram below so you can check her out. Her work is really amazing. But for this, I'm just using some Tickled pink planning. It's a cinema sheet, but I'm just using one of the little ticket stubs and then 2 champagne glasses from BusyBPrints. For my to-do list, I'm just doing the same that I did on Tuesday, so just the to-do header and then some of the little star stickers. On Friday, I've got another bill to pay, so I've got another rose gold washi flag and a Peaceful Mind Design script sticker to mark that in. And then Friday for me is filming day, so I'm using some more of that Kmart washi tape just to layer behind these film plan with me script stickers. I use these every week. They're from Planner Girl Problems, and I think I'm coming up for a new sheet soon. Then I wanted to use one of the flower stickers as well, just to bring that in. And then I remembered I had this sampler from Birdy Planning, and they always come with these really cute little like open planner icons. So I put that in there as well because the colors matched really nicely. Then I just wanted to have a list for the rest of the day. I don't actually put a header on this one. I just put some more of the skinny washi tape. So it's just more of a to-dos / what's going on for the day, which I like to have on Fridays as it's my day off work. Then on Saturday, I'm just using some more of the Kmart washi tape. It's not super sticky, which kind of makes it easier to use. Like, it's sticky on the paper, but it's quite easy to handle, if that makes any sense. And then above this, I'm just going to use one more of those larger box stickers like the one I used on Monday, just so I can pop in a few more things I have to do that day. Then I just put this little flower down the bottom. There's another super exciting event on the weekend. It is my little sister having her ballroom dancing presentation night / ball, which are always really fun to go to. So I just wanted to mark that in with some extra special stickers for her. Here I'm just using some more of that thin ombre washi. You can see it's getting a lot more purple here. I really like how this one looks on the page and how it is different, but it still matches. Then I'm using some more flower stickers, and I go in with some more of the rose gold washi tape just to mark in what TV I'm going to watch that night. Sunday is usually a big night on Married at First Sight, but as I'm recording this voiceover, I realize that I'm pretty sure the show is finished by then. I don't know if Bachelor in Paradise will have started, so I'll have to find something else to watch. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are watching at the moment, because I'm a bit in between TV shows. Now I'm just going to go in and pop in some more of the floral stickers and use the offcuts just to make it nice and full, especially around the edges. And then I'm going to fill in some things that I know I have on during the week. I'm actually so happy with how this spread turns out. This is honestly probably one of my favorite ones that I've ever done. I hope you guys like it as well. Let me know what you think in the comments, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much again, and I will see you next time. Bye.